I'm Kunal and welcome to another video on the ECE Notes project. So I've shown you so far like how you can contribute to the notes and what the project is all about. And so far I've been getting requests that some of the notes are missing, and also like some people are not able to know where they can contribute to. So for that I've made this video where I'll show you how you can open up issues about the project, especially about the missing notes, and so that it can be made visible and others can also take a look at it. So over here I have the repo. I'll just head over to one of the files over here in the third set, ECE Notes. So one of the modules is missing, right? So what we can do is we can open up an issue over here. So just head over to the issues tab, click on new issue and just type in new issue. So we have the third semester ECE Notes missing, right? Yeah, so put an appropriate title for your issue, and if required put a comment also. Yep, so after you put the issue, just submit it, and I will take a look at it. If I have it, I will upload it. If not, it's all, the project is visible and open to anyone to contribute to.